By the way, if you guys noticed, I got a new study table. Before getting started, I keep this little diary of me where every single day, I write about my day. Yeah. So if you ever thought about doing it, I think you should. It's a very good thing. This was me in January. For February, I also made another one. In February, I was very consistent. You just write the dates and then you write the days. You write the month over here, and then you write anything good happened to you in that month, and then anything that you wanna say that you build a routine for. You can write, for example, I wrote study, exercise, eating junk food. So basically this all means that you can regulate, you can keep a check on your mood swings, your habits. It's like a basic habit tracker. So my classes have not yet started, so I'm just gonna do some of the basic things that I can do for myself right now, which is pray to God. Help me. By the way, it's so dark outside. Is it real? I completed 224 words. Damn. I mean, I won't say that I have learned all of them, but yeah, I have read a lot of them. It's 7 o'clock. It's time that we go out for a walk. Let's go. I'm outside. I changed my clothes. I'm wearing my shoes. And the mosam is just so good. Got 2 parcels delivered today, so let's unbox it together. I'm so done studying for the same thing, so I'm gonna study for my college exams, which is history. It is so difficult for me to study for my college exams because I have no books and I'm studying with this passbook. Now this small book does not include any type of details, so I really have to just rely on ChatGPT.